Good morning, B2. This is going to be a quick video for your lesson for math today for January 13th, Wednesday, January 13th, and it's going over lesson 7.5 in your Stepping Stones math book. I'm just quickly going to go over what we've been doing in class again and help you get that in your brain so you know how, so you can kind of help yourself and remember what we've been doing. So again, we're starting subtraction. We're getting into some double digit subtraction, and so far we've been doing it using a hundreds chart, and that's how I'm going to show you again today. We will get into the stacking it up method here in the next week or so, and so then we won't have to use the hundreds chart so much, but for right now, and when we're just learning, we're going to go through it with the hundreds chart. So if you want to open your math book to page 256, it's lesson 7.5, and let me share my screen. I'll show you what I'm looking at here. It's been a while since I've been on here, so let's see if I remember how to do this. All right, so if you look at, we're looking at these two pages right here. It's lesson 7.5, and we're subtracting again. So imagine, it says, imagine you had $52. Which item could you buy? Well, you've got a robot for $45 and a bike for $70. Well, 52 isn't enough to buy the bike, but you definitely have enough for the robot. And then it says, how much money will you have left, and how do you know? So you can set this up as a subtraction problem. It said, what equation would you write to show the difference? Remember, we've talked about this word a lot in class. When you see the word difference, you know you have to subtract. That's what that means. So what is the difference? Well, you take your bigger number, which was the $52 you had. So we can write 52 minus out the $45 for the robot, which will tell us how much we have left. So the way we've been doing it in class is we haven't been doing these jumps on the number line. We've been using our hundreds chart instead. Just it seems a little bit easier, and like I said, jumps on a number line, it's not really a real world practical tool to use when you get out there and you're older and you have to subtract. It's stacking it up will be the most common method most of you will use as you get older and go through the grades and go on out into life. But for right now, I'm going to do 52 minus 45. So on your hundreds chart, we all made one of these in class this week. A group already made theirs. B group, you will make yours when you come with me on Thursday. So B group, you can just go ahead and you'll start these lessons when you come in with me, and you can do this one next week. So the problem was 52 minus 45. So I'm going to put my pencil on 52, and I'm going to subtract 45. And the way we've been doing it in class is we count back our tens first. So we subtract the 40 and then the 5. So we'll go back 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And wherever you land would be your answer. So it would be $7 you would have left. So right here you could write $7. Okay. I'm making a video. That's Miss Blank, so don't worry about her. She just jumped in our video real quick. So the next one down here, if you do 57 minus 40, again, you don't have to draw the jumps on the number line. You can just do 57 minus 40 using your hundreds chart. So I'm going to put my pencil on 57, and I'm going to jump by tens. I'm going to minus 10, 20, 30, 40. And there's my answer, 17. That's all I need to see for this lesson. So I will let you go ahead and do these ones on your own, these 4 without me, and I'll let you go ahead and give a shot at doing the step ahead. Let me read it to you. It says, Tama has $45. He wants to buy 2 games that cost $32 and $35. How much more money does he need to save? Well, you need to figure out how much 32 plus 35 is. And then you need to find the difference. It's a 2-step problem. So let's see if you can do that. And I'll help you out when you come back if you have questions on that one. So if you have any questions about how we're doing this with the hundreds chart right now, feel free to send me an email. I'll be around most of the day today. I do have about 3 meetings that I'll be sitting in on, so I will check Seesaw messages as quickly as I can. And if not, I will see Group B on Thursday, and Group A, I will see you again on, not Monday, it's a holiday, but I'll see you again on Tuesday. Have a good afternoon.